What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, boys, the temperature has officially fallen out. I think I said that in the last video. And why do I say that? Because I hate freaking cold. But here's the situation, guys. Jason is tackling the heater core in his black on black 93, and I really didn't get to talk in depth on the supercharger. He's got it on the car, and we didn't really get to show that off. So his car has come a long way. We got to do an update on it. Yeah, so let's go. Boys, if you're new to the channel, I freaking hate cold. I hate rain. I hate all of it. Freaking sucks, but what are you gonna do? Could be worse. Could be back up in Illinois or something. All right, guys, one quick note. I did officially announce the dates for Ford Takeover. One small bit of housekeeping for Ford Takeover is if you saw both of the video, well, we've done several videos at the Horsepower Factory. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, all that. Well, we've done some dyno videos of Mark's car, Jason's car, all that. The dyno competition is there. The cruise-in is to there. And so basically, we've got NA and Power Adder dyno shootout. And I don't have everything ironed out, but you basically get one chance. You get one pull. I'm choosing 5 NA cars and 5 Power Adder cars. And that's going to be the dyno shootout. You get one shot to make a lot of power, and then you're off, mostly because of time constraints. But feel free to email me if you are going to attend Ford Takeover and you're willing to participate. There is a fee, yes, but you also win cash, which is all to be determined yet. Shoot me an email. Let me know if you want to be a part of the dyno competition. Again, 5 NA, 5 Power Adder. It's gonna be badass. All right, guys, so like the meat and potatoes of today's video, because there's not, you know, a whole lot of live action we can get into, is, you know, not only helping Jason out working on his car, but talking about a little bit about, you know, how far do you go? How far, you know, how much is enough? How far do you go with your ride? I did a video earlier this week talking about you know, basically budgets are non-existent when they come to cars, and that's an absolute 100% fact. I triggered a few of you, and for that I do not apologize, because it's just a simple fact. You know, you can start out with a budget of $1,000, and then $2,500 in, you'll be like, crap, where'd my budget go? But anyway, let's not even as far as that goes. You know, once you get to a certain level, and, you know, Jason's car is a prime example, you know, what then? What do you do then when you've got, well, we'll just talk about it when we get there. Yay, we made it. See what Jason's tearing up today. And see, I offered to get Jason a Monster. Jason did not want a Monster. I mean, man. Oh, okay, you're good. You're good. Oh, so you didn't offer me one. That's what it is. I hear you. Okay. Woo. Okay, so time to tear it apart, right? Somewhere, I guess. Yeah, I think it's gonna be that one in the column. You're still tied over here. Oh, yeah, right there.
Yep, that's the one just we got here.
Boom! Yeah, and then just that last nut. So yeah, guys, doing the dreaded heater core. If you did not see, way back, me and Dover did the whole thing, start to finish, on the channel. Actually, it's a little daunting, but it's not too bad. Yeah, it's still a little tight right here. All right, boys, so I know I strayed just a little bit, but getting back on topic, and guys, if you're new to the channel, we went and bought this. I went with Jason to get this car, came back stock, and it's basically gone full bore from there. And what has it been? When did we go get this? Back in April?
Yeah.
Something like that. Yeah, it was back in April. Guys, this thing was bone stock. Date-coated plug wires and everything. But now he's got the supercharger on it. Waited for the supercharger forever. I guess it's the whole pandemic thing has slowed everything down. Trick flow heads, cam, intake. The whole 9 yards. Stock bottom end, 302. So again, like what we're talking about is where do you go from here? And I've said it before, I'll say it again. Doesn't matter how much power you got, you'll get used to it eventually. Okay, since Jason's not doing anything anyway, we're going to ask. So when you get used to 8 pounds of boost or whatever, heads cam, probably 450 or so once we get it back on the dyno, then what? More boost? Are you saving up for a 363? I mean, what are we talking here?
It's hard to say because I've got it where I want it.
Yeah, yeah.
So, and I haven't drove it enough to be used to the power.
That's true, yeah. So you're not quite there yet.
So I just got the tune right.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's on point.
Yeah.
I mean,
oh, by the way, are you going Holly or no?
I don't know yet.
Okay, we'll save that for another conversation.
This one.
Yeah, it's a micro squirt, by the way, guys. If
If I can get this one where it's good, no.
I got you. Because it would be a pain in the ass to swap again to another system.
Just the horsepower would be doing that one.
Yeah. Are you loose now? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. You'll have to come out just far enough to get that freaking lid off and slide the heater core out. And one bolt is, it's a little 10. I think they're either 8s or 10s. We did that video back in 18 and I can't remember anything. Yeah, just a little thinner too, so that's gonna slide in easier. Yeah, boys, we got it out, and as you can see, just like the rest of them, but the weight difference is amazing. These are brass back in the day, and there's the original tag, but it's quite a difference. Probably a pound or so difference. All right, guys, so here's the other situation that Jason's been contemplating is the air conditioning. Now, back in the day, that was one of the first things.
I don't know about your first thing. Back in the day, I always were in there.
Well, see, I just wanted to go fast and get rid of weight, and you know, all mine were garbage. And now I'm talking way back in the day.
Yeah, but we was in our 20s.
Yeah.
We're in our 40s now.
Right, exactly.
I'm on air.
Don't tell him that. Don't tell don't tell him how long we've been doing this. But so guys, yeah. Delete the air or not. Jason's been standing here talking about how clean it would look, and I agree it would. You know, it's funny. We put air on my Coyote car, and I've used it. I used it twice. Both times were in Myrtle Beach at Mustang Week when, you know, at the beach, it's freaking, that I literally haven't. I haven't even plugged the radio in. Swear to God. I got a nice stereo in the red car. I don't know. That's a tough call. If you did delete it, I would keep, you know, obviously keep all the parts, yeah. But especially being supercharged now, that's a tough freaking question to, because it would definitely clean it up. It would get rid of some weight. Yeah, you're good. Push it on in. Up, come down. You gotta come down a little bit. There you go, straight in. You're perfectly lined up with the hole. Yeah, yeah. You're in. That's it. All right, guys, and if you think I'm lying, you know, Jason's got this ultra clean street car, all this, and Jason, you just bought a drag pack, didn't you? Go ahead and tell everybody you've got drag wheels on the way, don't you?
Two of them sitting right here. So.
Yep, see, they're right over there. So that that was the point today, guys. Like, you know, he's got these badass, the SVE, the gold wheels, and all of that.
And still don't know exactly which way I'm going with.
Right.
So
yes. Yes, because actually the new LMR SV wheels are, you know, okay, we can't get into that. We're steering off topic again. But so when you get out to the track with the new drag wheels and it starts running really good and you're thinking, like we talked about earlier, the air could come off and, you know, how far are you going? Is there a stopping?
As long as I still make the side money to put in it, I guess I'll keep going.
Go as far. Hey, I mean, Dart 363, do the Mondo. What's the big one? The YSI, I guess, is probably as big as you can get nowadays for a street car, but why not? Yeah.
408.
Yeah, we could go Windsor. We got to do something with the trans first, though, right? And probably get the heater core in. Oh, we lost light. It's getting dark in here. All right, guys, so core is back in. Gonna hang the dash back up. Oh, I better put the camera down. All right, guys, while we're screwing around in here, Jason had to try on the new SVE comps. Let's see what they look like on the black car. And because my car doesn't have Cobra brakes, we got to see.
I thought you did have Cobra brakes.
Nah, I got the Edge car GT brakes. All right, let's see what we got here.
You make me nervous, that camera.
No pressure, no pressure. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Me a little nut this morning.
Dude, that clears real good. Y'all already see? Got the K member on it. Yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Coilovers.
Yeah. That looks good. Again, yo, Cobra brakes. Yeah. It's all downhill from now. Just pretty much put the
Shit back together.
just put the interior back together and hell, you can do a little detailing while it's apart.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna clean carpets.
Yeah. It's not bad. We got dashes hung. Just really just a matter of putting all the screws back in and she's good to go. Hey, who's this guy on the TV? Does he have a Christmas sweater on? Brutal has a Christmas sweater on. But yeah, guys, so you know, we just been running our mouths a little bit. Like, where do you go? How far do you go? Maybe a Dart Block 408, 427, YSI, AFR 225s. I mean, why not, right? Who knows?
Spend my money.
Yeah. How far do you go? Well, it's like, you know, like my car, you know, do I do a freaking Gen 5 Whipple and a Gen 3 Coyote and 10 R80? I mean, where do you stop? It's crazy. But you still have, you got to do trans. You got trans coming because it's still T5. And like, you still got quite a few things that you can work through before you get back to saying, okay, maybe we can add some power. But guys, I'm telling you, it never ends. It really never ends. So if you think you're going to do just like headers or HCI or just a supercharger, you might as well hang it up now because you're going to get bored with it. All right, boys. So that's pretty much going to wrap up what we're doing today. Always a good time hanging out and BSing about cars. But drop me a comment below, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Did you, with your car, did you say, okay, I'm going to do this and then stop? Or has it spiraled out of control like pretty much every build ever has done? I will be honest, and I'll even drop a clip in here. I think I still have it. I'll drop it right now. My 90 GT, guys, I bought it. It was already supercharged, heads, cam, intake, all that. Really nice car. And I spent a complete fortune on it and ended up selling it as a roller. You know, it was one of those deals where I was just going to fix a few small things and drive it and enjoy it. And 6 months later, I had spent more than I care to admit, and I was ready to be done with it, putting head gaskets on it for the 3rd time. Once the weather clears out with the new tune, I can't wait to feel this thing.
Me too.
Should be epic. Yeah, you need to feel it. But anyway, guys, again, drop me a comment below. What do you think? You know, maybe we just need more self-control and say, no, that's it. We're done. So, in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And you know we'll have an update for you soon on this bad boy.